Oh, good to see you again.
Yeah, it's very good to see you. To the viewers watching, could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, so hello. My name is Avia. I'm from Israel. I'm a teacher. I teach languages and religion, Jewish religion. I'm happy to be on the show. I hope I didn't miss any of the questions.
So, on this video, we'll be learning Hebrew in 2 minutes.
Sure.
How do you say hello in Hebrew?
So in Hebrew, to say hello, you would say shalom.
Shalom.
To say goodbye, you would say להתראות. להתראות, which means basically we'll see each other again. It also depends on the time of day, but I don't want to complicate it too much.
Okay, can you please repeat the last one? Lehi, like the goodbye one? How do you say goodbye?
להתראות.
Lehi kaot.
תראות or תראות.
Lehi raot.
Yeah, it's a hard word because it's a lot of consonants, but typically people say that. That's the most common way to say that. But people here also say bye. They just say yalla bye.
Yalla bye.
And we use the word yalla, by the way. So if you have Arabic viewers, that's something we have in common, something we borrowed from Arabic, because a lot of Jews are from Arab countries. So usually we say, when we're ready to say goodbye to someone, we say yalla bye.
How do you say how are you in Hebrew?
It depends on if you're speaking to a man or a woman. To a man, you would say ma shlomcha. Ma shlomcha, which literally translates to what is your peace? So shalom, as we said before, means hello, but it also means peace. So much like in classical Arabic, salam, right? Or salam alaikum. So in Hebrew, shalom means peace. And ma shlomcha means how are you to a man. To a woman, you would say ma shlomech. Ma shlomech.
So to you, I would say ma shlom mech.
Exactly. Yeah,
Okay.
very good.
How do you say my name is?
So typically you would say korim li, which means they call me. Korim li Avia. And then I would ask you, איך קוראים לך? How do they call you? So קוראים לי Avia. איך קוראים לך? How do they call you?
Kogim li saf.
Right, קוראים לי. Yeah, it's a hard one. קוראים לי. You can do it with the r if you want.
Korim li.
Yes. I think you've noticed that a lot of Israelis have this weird R, right?
Yeah.
Kind of like the French. Yeah, so we have like a r, like a resh, but it can be hard to pronounce for people who aren't used to it.
Another sound I notice is the kha sound, like like the kh, like that sound.
Yes, exactly. In a lot of words, we have the chaf sound.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you an easy one now. How do you say thank you or thanks in Hebrew?
This one is very easy. You say toda.
Toda.
Exactly.
Yeah,
and if you want to be really nice, you say toda rabba.
Toda rabba.
Yes, exactly. Many thanks.
How do you say, suppose you're eating something or you're drinking something and it's like delicious, you love it?
You would say ta'im me'od.
Ta'im me'od.
Ta'im.
Ta'im.
Yes, but if you want a slang, you would say ze'esh, meaning it's fire. It's like
ze'esh.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can learn the basic yes and no now. Like, how do you say yes? How do you say no?
So in Hebrew, to say yes, you say ken.
Ken.
And to say no, similar to Arabic, you say lo. So like instead of la, you say lo.
Lo.
Yeah, so very simple. Ken and lo.